My name is Mushtaq Saeed. I'm a student at Cote d'Ivoire Hub, and this is my first time learning how to use a computer. I wanted to start in technology and finally learn how to use a computer. At first, I was nervous. I didn't know what to do. The trainers guided us step by step. Now I can use a computer without anyone's help and even communicate easily. I'm proud that I can create well-formatted documents using Microsoft Word, set them correctly, and even make some sample edits of my own. Give me confidence. Now I believe I can do more things using a computer, even apply for opportunities. Don't be afraid. If I can learn, you can too. You just have to take the first step. I want to continue learning about internet, emails, and maybe Excel. I'm proud of what I achieved here. This is the beginning.